figured it out. I figured it out in black and white, seconds and hours. Maybe they had to take some time. I know how it goes. I know how it goes from wrong and right, silence and sound. Did they ever held each other tight like us? Did they ever fight like us? You and I, we don't wanna feel like them. We can make it to the end. Nothing could come between you and I. Not even the gods above can separate the two of us. But nothing could come between you